Okay, we're discussing group head for Rancilio and the Gigluer. That's the whole purpose of this video. And caution, we want to make sure that we do not have steam pressure inside the machine whenever we're opening up anything on the espresso water side. So first of all, turn off the water of the machine. Then go ahead and press a button on one of the groups that's still functioning and let it run for about 10 seconds. You'll hear the motor start to whine, and then turn off the machine, and that'll lower the pressure on the espresso side. Then we go ahead and open up the steam valve. When we're totally exhausted of steam, then we can proceed. So this is a group head not attached to a machine. We have a pipe here that goes to the bottom of the heat exchanger. That pipe goes to the top of the back of the heat exchanger for the thermosiphon. And then we have this, there's a cap in here. This is just a chamber. There's no reason to ever get inside there. Then we have inside here where the Gigluer goes, and there is a large hex nut. You can get that open with a crescent wrench. And then inside is where the Gigluer would be found, and that's it's going to come out to about this point, and you'll need a 10mm 1/4 inch drive socket and ratchet in order to get that out, and then either replace it or gently ream that out. The only problem is going back in. Notice this groove around the circumference of that. That's where a copper washer goes. If you're not careful, if you don't put the copper washer in here and then put the cap on after you've taken care of the Gigluer, what will happen is the copper washer will hang down on the nut as you're screwing it in, and then when you tighten that nut, you can actually mangle distort the copper washer, and then it's useless. So make sure it's set in its recess, then screw the cap in, and then tighten it down. Be very careful now.